In today's edition of this protein pack series, Chicken Under the Sea and McCormick teamed up to make this Dill Tuna Salad. And with it, I'm going to take these slices of lox and make a sushi with them. Let's go ahead and get this opened. That dill is strong in there. But of course, taste test. The dill is really strong and there's actually gherkins in here, so there's also a little bit of a crunch to it. Let's go ahead and get this. We got these rolled up. We cut into our little sushi rolls. And just like that, little sushi rolls. But now for the important part. Did my plan work? I was concerned when I realized that there was gherkins in there, but those two flavors together are amazing. Oh yeah, definitely be doing this one again. There's so much that can be done with all of these protein packs. I created an entire freebie for y'all with every brand and flavor and a bunch of ideas of what you can do with them to get your creative juices flowing. That freebie's linked down below in the description. If you want more of this series, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.